She's a renowned actor for her bold performances in films like Pink and series like Four More Shots, Please. A true trailblazer, inspiring with her craft and individuality in Indian cinema. And she's a social activist as well. So please give a thunderous round of applause for Miss Preeti Gulati. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing our evening today.
सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया चीनू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर रीचिंग आउट टू मी एंड हमारा एसोसिएशन कुछ साल पुराना है, 8 साल पुराना है. सो kudos to you and all you 29 other people. Obviously मैं यहाँ बैठी थी and आप सबकी मैंने बहुत ही खूबसूरत कहानियाँ सुनी and honestly that left me quite speechless. It left me very centered inside and मुझे पता था कि मुझे ऊपर आके कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा, but I wasn't sure कि मैं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कहानियों के बीच में क्या करूँ. So I also realized कि मैंने कुछ कहानियाँ पढ़ी जो मुझे वो पैम्फलेट दिया गया था उसमें से, and I realized that आप सबकी ज़्यादातर लोगों की कहानियाँ they were started with something personal, right? Something that happened to them, something they saw happening to somebody around them in the family or something. And I think इन कहानियों को सुन के मेरा एक जो विश्वास है ह्यूमैनिटी पे, इंसानियत पे, every day we wake up and we hear so many stories of things not going right in the world, right? And there are days that it just overwhelms you, just the idea कि is this the world we were born into? Is this what we all deserve? And then you also question, is this the world we are contributing to creating? There are so many questions you go through. And but I think end of the day, one thing I do believe, we all hold on to something called hope, right? We always hope that tomorrow is going to be better. We always hope that शायद चीज़ें समझ में आ जाएंगी, शायद हम एक बेहतर दुनिया बना पाएंगे. And I do believe, I believe this in my core. We are all, if there is so much. So I think what we hold on to is hope, and as I think Rishabh mentioned this, and a lot of you mentioned it, the one thread that sort of holds us together, I think, is the idea of kindness, right? हम आप सबकी तरह NGOs को नहीं चला सकते, लेकिन एक्टिविज्म कर सकते हैं, राइट? एक्टिविज्म करने का तरीका अलग है. आई ट्रूली बिलीव कि मैं जिस तरह का काम करती हूँ इंडस्ट्री में, that's my way of activism, that's my way of telling stories, representing people in communities and putting stories out that I feel need to be told. उसके अलावा I think, as I said, हम सब इंसान हैं, and what binds us together is kindness and humanity. And I think जो वो day to day उसकी sustainable उसकी बात हो रही थी, right? I think just remembering to be kind, not just to others, right? This whole work of NGO and all that you do, social work, is so much about putting others first, right? And that's beautiful. But इस पूरे उसमें मैं आप सभी से कहना चाहूँगी, all you 30 authors here, and आपने इतना सारा काम किया है, अपने आप को मत भूल जाइएगा. Please start with yourself. Kindness always starts with yourself, and then you pass it on, and then you share it with the world by just being you. So completely my pleasure and honor of to be here today. It really, as I said, has been a very grounding and centering and a very human experience, and it just reminds me even more that there is so much to do, but one day at a time, one step at a time. So thank you so much for having me.